Good afternoon guys, we've now got another vehicle in for a Hydroflow today. It's been a busy one. Alfa Romeo Spider. Don't see many of these. It's got a block Dpf. It's also got an issue with an airflow meter which can easily mask this issue. It's just about to commence a deep clean as it's done a few miles. Here we've got the Hydroflow machine all set up ready to go. As you can see, huge amount of gas is being produced. There's 35 litres a minute coming through there. That's what makes this really quite special, is the quality of the gas and the volume. Don't think some of these little eBay specials where you clip onto a battery are going to do the business. They really won't. I know there's a lot of people jumping on the bandwagon with these treatments. It's always a race to the bottom, cheap, but you really do get what you pay for. The Hydroflow machine is the class-leading treatment. It's the most expensive machine you can buy on the market. We've got two of them. Why? Because they work. If you want to restore performance on your vehicle, you've got problems with your EGR, DPF, or you failed an MOT mission, or you just want to restore your car back to the way it was, give us a call.